Hello my lovely people, how now they? I also now they fine. In today's video I want to show now how I take interlock this dread. Dread almost loose finish. So as I section the hair like that, I'll carry crochet needle. Now this crochet needle now you use until they interlock the dread. As I do you dey bring the hair come out, they carry and they enter inside like that. You turn around, you be like say you pull the hair in and out. You bring and come out, you carry and enter inside. And so I take the interlock dreadlock. And see as I do so, they bring the hair come out. They carry the hair, they enter inside. So as I do finish now, I can carry crochet needle. I'll use until bring the hair out. They carry and come out. I'll do it for the side and straight. Go the direction when I want me the hair be. I'll come use hand now to roll the hair like that. Use and take twist them. You use and take roll them like that, so that the hair go lock well. Now see, I don't do that one finish now. I will start another one. Now the same process. Now I'll take do everything. Let's say they pull the hair out, they carry and they enter inside. So carry crochet needle now. Then interlock and finish. Do one for the side. Just do one for the straight so that it go the direction when I want make it. Now see like that. So I can't use her now to twist around. Use until roller. I don't do that one finish. I don't see the difference. I don't see the down, don't they neat. I'll continue the same process now. Till do all the dread finish. So now the last one now they do so. So if they pull the hair out, they carry and they enter inside. They turn around. So that I know be like saying only one side that they do. I need to do all the hair round like that. You bring hair out, carry and enter inside. Bring her out, put the hair, enter inside. You put the hair out, carry and enter inside. And the same process. If you do the hair not tight, you will do it again. You continue the same process. They put the hair out, they carry and they enter inside. Now see the hair, you make sure see everything enter inside. Now see as they pull on, they carry and they enter inside like that. So as I do the hair finish now, I will still use a crochet needle. Still do the down. And the last one na be this. So all those hair now, push and enter inside, carry and come and push and enter inside. So now crochet needle now I want use, so you put on for the down. You gonna take go the direction where you want, the side where you want make the hair go. You lock am, pull the hair come out. You use hand now take roll am. Use am take roll am. And the final look now it be this. So thank you for all my support. I appreciate all of you now, and I go see you now for my next video. Bye my lovely people.